Hey, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. I record this video today because there is one important subject that I want to raise and share with you. Some time ago I had a chance to send an email to my community about this very subject. And thanks to the feedback and the comments I got from my followers, I decided to make this video because this thing that I want to raise up today would be a great eye-opening for you as a trader. We all share the same dream exactly. We want to make money out of trading. If it's Forex, if it's stocks, CFDs, binary options, whatever it is, we want to make the money, right? But let's admit it, only few from the 100%, only few percent can actually make it happen. Why? So my answer for that question is, well, there are million of possible answers, but my answer for that is very simple and straightforward. While the few percent make money, the others lose. We all share the dream of making money from trading. But the problem is that the majority out of the 100%, it doesn't matter if it's 95 or 97 or 99. The percentage that it's not matter here. What matters is the complete majority. What they want is exactly that. They want to make money. The other few percent, they want to be traders. You see the difference? The majority, they want to make money. The few, the little part, they want to be traders. Now, how come it's different? Because when you just dream about making money, all your focus is making money. When you are looking at the charts, you don't care of trading. All you care about making money. So you don't trade the market. You trade your wishes. You trade your dreams. You trade your pink future thoughts. And that's a huge difference, because the few percent, they want to be traders. I'm lucky enough as a mentor to have one amazing student. His name is Victor. You can see his story right here next to the little camera with my face. I met him some time ago. He became a student of mine. He's in the Traders Academy Club, and the thing is very simple. When Victor, he was a trader when he started working with me, and when he came to me and said, "Vlad, I want to learn your techniques," and I said, "Victor, why? You already make money. You already make amazing percentages. How can I help you? Why do you think can I help you?" And he told me, very simple, "I don't need you to make money. I want to learn from you how trading works, how the trading world actually works, why the pairs are going up, why the pairs are going down, when can you expect things to happen, and how. When you validate your plan, when you invalidate your plan, all that." Back then, I didn't understand that. But today, after I see his results, boom, it hits me. And here is the truth. Victor was not care about techniques, strategies, or any secret thing to make him money. He wanted every single detail about trading, to have a control over his trading. Now listen to me carefully. You probably heard that somewhere, maybe from me, maybe from someone else already. Trading is a business. Very responsible business. Now, think about it this way. Do you think you can be a great restaurant owner and have a top reputation restaurant without love to cook, without being able to deal with customers, without being able to actually enjoy all this environment? I had the chance to meet few friends of mine who told me back then, a few years ago, not so far away, I'm going to open a restaurant. Based on my calculations, I will make X amount of a month. And I will duplicate that after 1 or 2 years. And he started to dream. He started to dream, a friend of mine, in front of my face. Now, you know, back then it was like, maybe it sounds realistic. Maybe you're gonna have it, right? And you know, it was, I was still probably in the beginning of my journey, and he was like, okay. And I started to think, maybe I should do the same, right? It's easy to fall in love in a dream, too easy. But what I know today, that he was so focused on money and how much money he can make out of the restaurant, that he opened and failed pretty quick. He wasn't care about the food quality, about the customers. He was tired every single day saying, I am sick and tired of customers. With that approach, how could he make it successful? Do you think you can be a great football player if you don't love to play football? If you don't care about how to play football, and not just hitting the ball, but the logic of it, how to be best in this field? Can you be the best tennis player? The list of tennis players is full of guys, especially the young generation, who say, I hate tennis. I do that just because I only good at that and I can make a lot of money. That's all. It will finish right here. You will not be able to be number one, or you will not be able to belong to the top or make a great living out of that if this is your approach. Unless you're multi-talent and you have great managers pushing you. You cannot become successful at your job if all you care about is just to come, spend some hours, and take this card, game over, and you go back home. You will never be promoted or become the top in your company. You would never belong to the top. What makes you think that trading would be different? If you come to trading world just with the wish of making dream come true and make tons of money, print money, then let me tell you the truth. It will not happen. Save your time, save your effort, save your money. The successful traders become successful when they want trading business. When they want to understand what the market does, how it does, when it does, what to do when it doesn't do their plan, how to adjust. When you care about that, when you want to be a trader, that's where things will start to happen. If you care just about making money, you belong to the majority. Most of people at the beginning of their ways, people that I meet, come to me with the same question. Vlad, I have $200 or $500 or $1,000. How much money can I make with your system? And I tell them the truth as it is. You can't make money before you know how not to lose money. How can you make money before you know how to deal with money? Before you understand what the market is doing? Why? When? How? How can you make money? It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. Making money is not a printer machine. It's not like you see here. It's not you come click and boom and you have money. No. Maybe one day we will have it with 3D printers or whatever it is. Joking. But that's a very important thing that I want you to understand. And that's what separates successful traders to those who keep dreaming. The majority, they run from dream to dream. From system to system. From strategy to strategy. From company to company. From broker to broker. From market to market. I saw traders that come to Forex after 1 month, this market is a scam, or this system is a scam, or this market you can't make money, it's a waste of time. With that approach, how could you make money? Really? If you just come thinking, yeah, I click yes, I click yes, I click yes, boom, at the end of the day I have my money, don't waste your time, don't even start if you belong to this community. I see these guys, they run from Forex to stocks, to lottery tickets, to binary options, to sports, gambling, to sports, whatever it is, wherever the dream of making money. And they keep running, they keep running, they keep running, finding nothing. So that's why I record this video. In order to belong to the community that make money, start to think like people who make money. Traders trade. Dreamers dream. If you want to be a trader, you want to understand what happens in the market, when, how to adjust that, how to take your personality, how to fit in your personality in the trading world, how to make it work for you. You need to go through these steps, and it will not happen. It will not happen if you just dream. When you are looking at the charts, if all you care about is, oh, now I'm gonna make a lot of money, stop. You will not. You might make it for one trade, 10 trades, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year. You would not be able to make a living out of trading. This is a real business where you buy and you sell instruments. Instead of having that physical, like glasses or phones or pens or whatever it is, instead of the physical product, you do that with currency. You buy, you sell, you sell, you buy, in order to be able to earn from these movements. You need to understand, to dig deep enough to understand how that works. If you want to be trader and not just to make money, then think like a trader. Do the work like traders do. Most of the traders, you know what, I would even take a bet, 100% of traders who make money, first of all, value the risks in their trading plan, value the opportunity, value the chances to be right, value the market conditions, if they will be able to be right with their any trade they make. Only then they trade. The real traders, they spend 80% or more of their time planning the trade. Only some percentage, small amount of percentage, trading. While the dreamers, they spend 99.9% on trading and making transactions, one after another, after another, after another, after another, living the dream of, I trade more, I make more. Bullshit. I'm sorry for saying it, it's so rude, but this is a complete BS. This dream of trade more, make more, it's a myth. Complete myth. And you have to understand that if you want to make this switch. The 99.9%, the dreamers, I call them the dreamers, what they do is they don't, the 99.9% of their time, the dreamers, they don't plan. They trade. They operate. They make transactions. And maybe I'm lucky saying 0.1% of their time they really plan something. The dreamers don't care. All they care, yes, make money. Click yes, make money. Click yes, make money. And better if it's automated, if it's some kind of a robot that prints money for them. Pooh, the best. Let's go to Bahamas. My dear friend, if you want to belong to the trading community and make a successful trading, if it's a living or it's like extra income, start work like a trader. Learn the market. Dig as deep as it is required for you to understand what happens. If you are here in a trading world just to make money and you don't care about trading, most likely, it will end up bad. Save your time, save your money. Unless you are super talented and it might be still successful for you. For everyone else, it will not. So my biggest tip for you, don't waste your time if your passion is not in trading. If your passion is just making money and not trading, don't waste your time in the trading world. Find something else. That's my little tip I have to tell you, and I can share with you right now after I had the experience to see one of my best students and to see my friends who had a dream of a restaurant, another friend that had a dream of being a football player and he was too lazy to work out, another friend that wanted to be a bodybuilder, and after 2 or 3 weeks, I really don't remember exactly, he started to cheat in food, cheat in the gym. After a few months, game over. You see, there is a little time of the exam, self-exam, that everyone goes through in the field that you choose to deal with. It normally takes like few weeks up to few months. If you can pass this exam successfully with your psychology, you can become successful. Everything you do, if it's trading or anything else. So that's all. That's the idea I wanted to share with you, and it was important for me to record. Hopefully, it opens your mind a bit. And I'm not here to judge or anything like that. I am here lucky enough to be able to talk from personal experience going through all that, being lucky enough to meet amazing students in my journey and to see people becoming from nothing to traders. I saw their way, I saw their journey, I know how the trading brain and the trading psychology works, and because of that, I allow myself to be here and to share with you things from personal experience. So that's all. Thank you for watching Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club.